Hi guys, Luke here from VES Electrical. Today we're going to show you how to verify whether your Skov DOL12 temperature sensor is reading correctly in the field. So often as electricians we will arrive on site and we have a climate computer, in this instance a Skov climate computer, where we feel that the temperature is either reading too high or too low on one of the sensors. Now often there's a number of different causes for this, and we need to eliminate what the potential causes are to come to a solution. Often we will see that there's a problem with the cable or the temperature sensor. So the first piece of the puzzle for us is that we're going to verify whether or not the Skov DOL12 temperature sensor is reading correctly. So I'm going to show you a couple of the instruments we use and the methods we use to determine this. Now, the first thing you will see on the left is a digital thermometer. In the middle here we have a chart with resistance and temperature values, and on the right here we have a digital thermometer that reads ohms. So we select ohms, which is this omega symbol on our digital thermometer, and you will also see that I've immersed the Skov DOL12 temperature sensor in water with our digital thermometer sensor. Now the reason we do this is because we have a stable medium, that being water, with which the sensors are both immersed in, and we can get accurate readings. If you leave your sensors in air, air is subject to hot and cold currents, and it's not a uniform temperature reading with which to measure the two temperature sensors. So now that we have our sensors immersed in water, I'm going to measure with my two prongs on my multimeter on a non-conductive surface. Very important, we use a non-conductive surface for this test, and often I have seen people hold the sensor wires between their hands. This is also incorrect, as it can give stray measurements. So on a non-conductive surface, touching the two probes with our multimeter leads, now we have a stable reading of 15.2 k ohms. 15.2 k ohms. If we move across to our temperature chart, we will see that 15.2 k ohms should be roughly 25.3 or 25.4 degrees Celsius. And you will also see that our digital thermometer is reading 25.4 degrees. So, in saying that, I think we can safely say that our DOL12 temperature sensor is reading the correct temperature, and we don't have any issues with our Skov DOL12 temperature sensor. In saying that, if you still do have incorrect readings on your climate computer, then we would be inclined to say that you may have an issue with a termination, a connection, or the cable in the field. So hope this video has helped you guys, and yeah, all the best from the team at VES Electrical. Have a great day.